What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, YouTube right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe to Disco Bob right now.
Hello everyone, I hope everybody's awesome out there and safe. So today what we're going to do a review on is one of the fall blizzard lineups from Dairy Queen. So we have the Cinnamon Roll Centers Blizzard. So I haven't had a blizzard for a while, so we're going to give this a try. I'm going to have to put this down in the cup holder. I got some stuff on my got a couple paper towels down on my lap so I don't drop any. So I'm going to have to get something so my hands are free, you know, when I'm doing, I don't have my tripod. So let's try the Cinnamon Roll Centers Blizzard. Let's try it. I'll tell you what, it's really good. You can taste the cinnamon in it, and it's got the pieces in it, I think it's like cinnamon roll pieces, I think, or it's really good. But you can definitely taste the cinnamon in this. It's really good. One of Dairy Queen's fall blizzard lineup, but really good. That's what it looks like. Gotta be careful I don't get any on me. But yeah, this is really good, guys. I'll probably have a half of this, and then I'll probably put the other half in the freezer. But I'm not gonna eat that whole entire thing. I'm trying to watch still, so. Really good. I like doing reviews on this new stuff, you know. But I've gone through my closet. I'm going to do a video one of these days about, I'm going to share with you guys my different clothes in my closet that I have that I could fit into now. So I'll probably do a video in the near future about that. But they fit on me now. But got the pieces in it, which is really good. See, there's cinnamon roll pieces, or so I'm thinking, yeah, cinnamon roll. Good. I would highly recommend this. I got a small because I didn't want to get a big, too big, because I don't want to not like it and end up wasting it. But yeah, we definitely would give this 2 thumbs up. This, you know, if you like cinnamon flavored stuff, this is definitely what you should get. They have the pumpkin pie one, Blizzard. I never tried it yet, but I think I did try it. It's been a while ago, but comes back every year about this time of year. It comes back. So yes, I would definitely recommend this if you like cinnamon, and especially its cinnamon roll flavor. And it's really good. It's really good. Would I ever get it again? Yeah. Yes. It's probably limited. It's got to be limited time if it's a fall flavor. And I love fall flavors of stuff. But this came out, this was launched, I think, yesterday, the fall lineup for the Blizzards. So, definitely good. I think I got pieces of, there's got to be some pieces, like cinnamon roll, I think, or something like that, and it has to be. But it's really good. It's really good, real cinnamony. I love cinnamon, guys. I love anything cinnamon. So, hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this new Blizzard from Dairy Queen, the Cinnamon Roll Centers Blizzard. So, everybody have a good one, and thanks for watching Disco Bob Entertainment More. You guys are all awesome. Have a good one, guys.
What's so funny, TSM?
You tuned in with the Disco Bob. Let's go, disco, go.